How you guys doing? This is Aric with Fontaine Forge, and we are here in the new shop. It's finally set up. We got our workbench over here. Got my grinder, drill press, vise, bandsaw, a couple of the grinders here. Got my table of steel over here. My blacksmith table. I got all my tongs. Some old files over here. Got some old Damascus over there. Some grinding belts over there. Got my mild steel in the corner. Got some handle materials still here waiting for a place to go. My elevator cable. Over here we got some wrought iron wagon wheels over here. The old coal forge. Over here we got some 52100 or not 5100 5160 spring steel. Got a couple of different article steels. I got some 1095, 1080, 15 and 20. Propane tank. We got a station for the second anvil, which I don't have set up yet. We got my anvil over here. So we get the forge going, and we're gonna take the shop on its maiden voyage. I just got a little piece of 1/4 inch square stock in here. I'm gonna grab that. We're gonna start working out a little bit. Here is we're going to make our wall hook. This is going to be a 1/4 inch wall hook. You start with 9 inches of 1/4 inch steel. And you're just going to point out the tip, just like that. Next you're going to bend it over 90 degrees. There's two ways you can do this. You can do this in the vise, or you can do this on the anvil. I'll use the vise method just because it's a little bit easier. I won't use the vise. It's too tall. Let's use the anvil. Got our 90-degree bend. Turn it around the other end of the fire. Do basically the same kind of a step. You can see in there, starting to get warmed up. Turn the gas up a little bit, heat us up a little faster. Also, that baby there. That's even a little bit warmer. Over here. Now again, same step, just going to point it out. This time we're going to round this one off. back in the fire, and we'll round that off a little bit. We're gonna make our little bird's loop, little bird's beak, bird's eye. That's because you don't want a sharp, pointy hook spearing through all your clothes. You round it off a little bit. Doesn't need to get super hot. We have our nice little loop for the end. We're going to take that, bend it around into our hook. Pull off the tongues because they're getting warm. It feels good to be back out here. It's been a while since I've been able to do any blacksmithing work because I wasn't in my old shop. My old shop got sold, so it's good to be back in my own shop now. Pull this out, cool off the tip so that it doesn't deform on me. Over the end. Cover the horn here. And now for the twist. Now, and we'll twist it in the vise. Vise is ready. Now, the key to getting an even twist is to get an even heat all the way through. You really want to watch it and make sure that you got good heat going through the entire thing before you pull it out. There. You can still see a little bit darker right there in the middle, so we'll give it another second or two. And that looks pretty good. Let's go with that. Grab that. Pull that out, and into the vise we go. Right about there. We're going to grab right there and twist it up. Uneven, but that is a good twist. Take it over here, onto the anvil. And just flatten it out a little bit with the baseball bat, one of my favorite tools. And there you have it. Made from scratch wall hook. First thing made in the new shop. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.